Since malapit na ang pasukan, hard to buy some school stuff like this. Bento lunchbox. This bento box I bought is highly recommended because it composed of food grade and BPA-free material to ensure the safety of your children. Actually, pwedeng mag-customize ng design and pwede mong palagyan ng name. Kailangan mo lang i-chat si seller first bago ka mag-place ng order. It has 4 to 6 compartment depende sa size, and itong nabili ko is mini size lang. Kaya 4 compartment lang siya. Okay na okay para sa mga toddler. Each compartment has rubber on cover portion para ma-sealed in lahat ng pagkain sa loob. By the way, yung inner tray is removable and it is dishwasher and microwavable safe. At syempre, para makumpleto ang bento box ni baby, kailangan din natin ng mga molde accessory. Depende nila sa preference nyo kung ano yung designs na gagamitin nyo. And divider silicone for additional accessory. Ang mga toddler kasi usually small amount lang yung kaya nilang kainin eh. So para ma-divide mo yung food nila into small amount with variety of choices ng foods, ito yung gagamitin mo. Actually, matrabaho to para sa ating mga nanay. Pero na-explore mo yung pagiging creativity mo on your own. Ensure ka pa na healthy foods ang mapapakain mo kay baby. And ito naman yung sample bento box lunch na nagawa ko kay baby. For this upcoming school, add to cart na. Lahat ng link ay nasa ibaba or in the comment section.